Hey, who so who powerful voice pa? Hey. No, who's that? Who's that? Kumanu. Who's that? I know to fool anyone and and Obi or one no one day. Bounce all studios I know ya na genius ne Buana ne there. Oh, I sign for the give no ya na homobano mo yin season on ones we do baby said your fan high boy no. Oh, to me but said your what they are there mama me no. Why need that? Nemo yan one. What you de na wo pese wo fili mama so me choose me de ba na afi en to aso go e ba anyway de e kill me pa yes
the Lord is our shepherd.
Shoba we are make an we want some kaka chemo tipo
hey, Otamika, Esua and Hocho. Yes, Otamika, Esua and Hocho. Samina Masuka Brimumpa, Miss Roy. Samina Masuka Brimumpa, Miss Roy. Every song in my banding, didn't me bank copy. Miss Sufrena, I bet you be so. I bet you what? Nyana meni nasono, odia chemio. Nyana meni nasono, odia dumio. Nyana meni nasono, odia mamio. Nyana meni nasono, wa mami saka. Oh, dia weni nasono. I need a radibama wen saka. Dia wo hwehwe no nyame baba na bemwate oso wonu awurade wonu wo hwefo enu nti bibie ni we be hia wo ade bie ni we be hia wo no wo nyankopon hwe obetu mi po ewo matafo ni wai mi go ya mabuso erade si wo so mi bosa orinya mi na ri ba mi ta mi hangina to the soul. Hey, I'll every day token. Miko, I am a pussy. Every day, say what's
baby, I am the pop, baby. Hey, the whole time, love you.
Me, I want to this song. Yana Melina Solo. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Yana Melina Solo. Oh, dear, do me. Yana Melina Solo. Oh, Mami Saka. Yana Melina Solo. Oh, dear, do me. Yana Melina Solo. Oh, dear, do me. Yana Melina Solo. Oh, dear, Mami. Yana Melina Solo. Hey, Mami Saka. Mami Saka.
Nice one. You go so you know one but give him.
Yes.
Umu ana dinko waka.
Mati.
Make asa me kan we hu asa me kaka crave na fia. We from me you TT for we can interview no.
Okay.
This song I remember Abra na album we know out. Na me wa na omde enum na me say be 3 or 4 buy no so
every chef any
and I'm so oh okay this say the na mo say yemfanye promotion from so na afi me so mo me tie enum me tie enum so no this song you can't exclude this song. That be SSN you will put me the promo because and I fell in love with the song that very moment. And I even I was in a car. No, this song. It talks to me. A new particular song. It talks to me. Now, minim say ubi a bit me related to this song. The reason why I love this song so much, we be say na history kakra wo ho no history kakra wo na me dia mama no na e be to aso na ya say enjoy ni more but Empress can be kakra che then na obetimi aka kire ye na atiefo ni na etio say eno na aboa watimi sustain wa babedu sa level ya wadu ever since Adom share nyum to
I think me share with you for one is humility. Two, may understanding so we see me day, and then 3 is prayer. And on my consistent away juma way.
Wow.
Because man breme hwasia baby am pese me kono mindru mama pai bo anka juma ne ho a mekwa koto amonemu na me nyu obi enjimi afei so se mensua de wade na meye na me ya cake minim de ekoso.
Wow.
Enti eno ne ade a aboa me e wo menum tu.
Now one thing once I know the man mu dupa mu pipa but ade ba konso ne say I not MP, we pokra the cuts across and yeah, or more gospel industry. I say, ultimate borem na obey known everywhere. It's just some selected few, just very few of them. And now, Omotimia go through changes, bigger crana still no. Omo relevance na still amount for gusu san chrome obi say bia odu ba bi o se san brand ne kakra bi o se san din bi ne ade afebo ana
ato
ate afa so be ya emfa bi den na wo ye ya wo de yetimi afa because wo mu ana the reason why I'm asking this question me kai some time ago not too long we are wondering so we didn't there be we are so someone better for to sada give to us no be krom no had be afi edu ba bi na again say Empress gift Empress or the Empress oh yeah na back no drop na afi this is here no that what buasi mo na akui trick no ne saying then I work is how magic mo I didn't timi ya afade ama uzi ka kire
you see me understand time and season. You say who person who free phrase be more called different phrases. Was also time in this season.
Yeah
no and the review na kasa e dey na akoso what
you see my mom say say on level now you dey spoil there I tell my catch up say we any interview you know any interview there no no on level now crowd what's video up
what's video
or no I say no go fine wait no go speed up no go speed up
Matty time this season year and the review a day and a course so when it comes to the gospel side a day and some so yenya divorce and kofunya challenges obi de nyumo buy and fly. What are the things that I can also do? Because I hold the name for almost 6 years.
Sure.
Answer na me pesa me sisa no. Me share ye era no ye me gospel side. And I mean so okay. Emu aye din. So now emu aye din no. Obi eni wa na asem bia ba ye he. Abakra I say I am nambi ya kata so okay so now what can I do now I need to get to the presenters myself intino minfa producer bi mbedi manim because obekwa koka different I'll also say different but se nipa ne tir free menu ma ka ne tirim enti me frɛ wa na ka say hey give to us say e say they didn't Empress so I love that wow enti menya personal relationship with the bloggers and also with the people. Ofie minya presenters in the then I have to go to the one mom daily graphic or mom the papers for I have a lot
so that when they are writing about
you. So now me the story I make sure say team no make a write up. No go there na be trama. It's me there na me de be bro and press gift in e wo.
Don't catch us on video. Wow, that's nice. Prince Tete on Facebook said, what's the title of the song she just sang? Me pacho. That's your crack. No. Now, still on consistency. Why are there? What you to this level near there? But it do baby no na I say. I say focus no direction now especially with the most recent works out the Babontin. And as I South African you go jano.
Okay, Zaza Moketi, a gospel art, South Africa, one of their biggest. And me will program annually. That is the Resurrection Effect. Me every Easter Monday. And me new management na me that is my international manager. Me it's nasa na me chair na me catcher and say. Era na ye womu sesi things has changed. Phrase for Abba. And if I want to be in it, then I have to change so many things about me. I want to learn. To me catch on also okay. Then say ni ebe to me de wako. Sa time no na me koye eye odi yompo no. Enti ye odi yompo to wa na zaza embe muye. Ti the following year no ye agency ye de ne bagana. Abe Resurrection Effect because me show na me nko na me daso. But this time I me pese me de obi so eba na me so metumi konidie because ono so ye ne de every year me share dia year and the review and I me consider me so me de so ono be benefit if me so me benefit if
okay.
So I think it's a good course. Now I was say me get it to nipa no and now me manager and manager kasa into omo we now say artist no ye to me e fa dan fofo. And I me manye na number na me call Instagram. I say na me hwehwe no. Na me call fan Adam for. It's all the picture to one my like. No so be like him there. So now time o mo catch no. Na ya Adam for fa e wo Instagram
already. Wow.
Say me the Kwame committee now. So when she find out to say Empress na obefa me about Ghana no. Then she was super excited. You launch it penny COVID no last year. Ti into me anye. Ti me catch me management say me to me say as an artist and now say me now the year and the review name will know I have to do something. And omo ye church on yamato into so be sure me started with empaibo for Ghana. For a month. It's every month be anam will be before from me. And omoka says dia say lady ni nyamba ye dia I should make use of the relationship that we both had. Me fan and tonyo so and the man request and no accepting am then tonyo so.
Wow. Wow. I love the story. I thought that see as pursue no one out in can we because our management offer near that. But ukasa now can you your new team, the new management team Ben is no me.
Team Empress.
Wow. That's wrong. Team Empress.
Hey, Team Empress. Nyame Adom, Nyame Achemi. Nyame Achemi new team. Nyame Adom omote ma say I prayed one. I told God say I am a difficult person to deal with. Yes. Ebia dia open a mempe.
Okay.
So I told God say, "Oh man, you be better me for who I am. Oh, better mercy." It's the time I approach you almost say, "Okay, this is the new team I person you say the ye hiamo on board, you know." Almost so omo ko bon ho pai na so ko bon ho pai. But ni nyina mu no na I was telling God say, I love someone who will love what I want to do because on share me vision on tema say opeso temi me mean to me nye di ope. Enti me kunu omo kasa is okay, this is how my wife want to do say no person ye ni way no say no ye penisa Oh, basic, but yeah, per se, on relax. Mama, I'm 6 months to reflect back.
Yeah.
Go and learn. So my 6 month period with them the first time, I have to go and learn. I have to go for, I was saying school. I was saying how to talk on radio, TV, how to dress. Baby, I was saying
I said one about life dada.
Now me born life
dada.
Baby, now me born life dada. But now, baby, I'm a person me corner. Baby, I'm a person de me corner. No more person. Ya DNA ye now fit it into every category. Baby, I do be shape ya. And to me, can say Empress to reggae. No, to me, can say me to her life. What to me, the baby, me to me fit. So then I have to go for a school.
Yeah.
And then I also pay teacher mama or chair my dear Monsieur San before me come that audience. They come to me and then we start the whole thing. It's a baby around this thing, you know. Come to a point and understand, say, and this industry and the ministry as well. So when sunya dia.
Wasubeshi.
Because I'm very grateful for the Omoya Mama.
Yeah. And I thanks to Omo Boyjuma because such a pass it. Oh, no credit about say it's always a difference. But now they say level new ground. What's media? Kudos to the new management. More Boyjuma, or yes, or a idea movie. Do so, my mama,
me who quite bites. Dear Bakun, or more way some of the buyer, my managing. So say they told my husband, say, this way, you know, movie.
Yeah.
Or ko baby, be follow. Or ko ha ya de never for ye never. So you have to agree. You see,
yes, I'm Kaubenka. Kawai somebody got.
You see, and Abuame.
Mr. David Chow. That was you, but you go do away with me at the way as okay. And then also a fine part.
Of course, because me to be from emotions in me. They put me into a good mood for me to go for the interview. To say, Bibi, how me cry me reefy.
That's nice.
That is how.
Okay. So now, fast forward. The said now wow can planning near money there, but 2020, 2021 said the near my year with this COVID near the amount for plans be academy near there. For you as an artist, and then now with the new management and being so pleased with what they are doing for you, processes are not money there. No, what's the plan? What's the vision? Then I'm a person who and even with still COVID in mind, no. Then I'm a person who
wow, a lot. Yeah, per se, my worship. Let us say the resurrection effect. At the same time, Empress Foundation annually piano donation dada sign and also per se and moreover no apart from COVID nina so almost to me international shows at the amami.
Is that?
Oh, of course.
And no international.
What's a digital nama? Ama diana koso. No digital. I want to boost the immune system.
Wow.
It's
so,
like
can one some catch it.
Back on June way. Royal House Chapel, Maryland.
Okay. I like the way you pronounce Maryland.
Herticorgi Ministries.
Okay.
Overflow concert, and it happens, Empress. I am the guest arts.
Wow.
Yes. Make us throughout the COVID. What happened in say or share Ghana was no Empress. You deserve to be on that stage. And Nyame Adom I have to go to South Africa for another show, and then Zimbabwe. And see Nyame Adom through the COVID, and I could see say Nyame nam womo so ABB Queen Baby Mommy, and myself I have so many things that it's on pipeline. And this year I will release an album.
I was gonna come to that. say ankabre bensa na yenhwe anim say
yes
album betimi edi
echi be release the album this year. Ending of this year the album will come, because now was like last year neighbor everything was set, but because of COVID and but see I know to say it's a second verse
abana akase se ebeya first no yes abesa kan yetimi aboato aso na na ya se
almost 19th it's your bomb pie say ye be wo
ye hwenya mi anim me card na to yeah pena
no we do it's ye hese nyame be Adom na ye president e bebie niama no na niama ye pese ye no ye tumi aye.
Okay, so the upcoming album now ye share ni say by close of year na beba no eno ena Odiumpo
Odiumpo and Jesus overdue also
and also
because so the album ni nyina ba ya na is so difficult to promote it.
Sure.
It say I again say every 3 months be release it back, 3 months be release it back.
Na kan ba be say no mo ba bubu tot kakra
kopim say answer na album baba you know all the songs. Because most of my songs will be to me me ka say me no say now then I went promote na who promote difficulties ni too much, but when you release it one wow e man crofo to see ade a wo pese wo ye no I see
fine pa therefore Empress Gifty adoe na no etwetwe enkomo no na de omu nyina ne say we are live on Facebook. Do you share say the wa fan ho kama any ade I say who dressing because they say dressing also no ekura na level baby edu no a copper you know digital pa what I say you know so who no could find say now or the borrow Facebook news is here Adom 106.3 FM na wa hwe said the name is here kofa ne ade na madika ka chem say we no and share down your formal interviews ti omu ana ye na kakra from ye be feel nyum kakra but before that no e ba cho yen kan for royal drinks emma ya no ne bia no kuri nyam ye ne ede pa ye ya to ebo ase prepare na kama you mu asort royal apple, royal orange, a royal cocktail, royal cola. And can be so go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy royal drinks in so many flavors. Now we know if Precon Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Now open out there for 0262 315 215 and 0272 133 373. They are available in a shop near you at just 2 cities 50 pesos. Royal drinks, or see you go like them. And what you know. Sebe na wotehwe a obetimi asan asori agina na so biem no akọ anim na onka ba bia wotehwe ye no etini e ka cho say make sure so obey insure with AF Phoenix Insurance na o business no etimi akoso agro akọ nanim ye pa na okwan bia so no you rise again when disaster strikes. Oba Phoenix Insurance yetua claims in temper na your insurance policies no edoso your fire, your motor accident, marine, engineering and of bonds. And they grab their money more very simple. Wait me out to insurance policy. And they are a short code SO star 389 star 79 star. Equally wait me out frame 0302 246 319 and 0243 690 492. Insure with Phoenix Insurance and experience a delightful service delivered with wisdom and home and share no. Na ene mama no musuga kana. Munya botra ene holiday. Nice. Ene dia MTN so dia aba no. Free after one. Free after one here kan brofo but simply put obey call na wakasa metintin bia ope bia then you pay for only the first minute of that call. The rest there absolutely free. In addition, I enjoy 50 MB of data at their browser for free. When you design one patrol, dial star 550 hash. Now what subscribe to MTN free after one. Then you stay connected because we are good together. Terms and conditions apply. So MTN everywhere you go. Now Empress, mame another song. Edawa kuma so apese ye de no etwa na free yemfa empum kakra. Na ye ba yensan entro ankomo so
adanse die
okay enti ye hwe na ya ron ye de adanse die no ama wo no na ye kai will say the only fortified rice, the first fortified rice, appeam e Ghana hano, and I account for the amount. A very simple Royal Aroma, and then the Wakofa Diaba. It's say in 2017, the University of Ghana, in collaboration with UNICEF, study be there say 50% of women and I face 66% of preschool age children suffer from anemia. When you know and say in Nuania Yedino, Nuanu Rahu Western Kipi mu ban it me boyen na ympum de wonsem ewie peyono. Aya na ebi enim and akofasa how we na debe. Tieni de ban say ye de Nuanu ahodo ahye Royal Aroma rice no emu nutrients papa iron, zinc, vitamin B3, B6, B9 and afi B12 ni nyina ehim kama ya chese unya bina udisa na ene mpom de wonsem ni nyina no ebetimi akoyie e de amount na onso wetimi agina brand kama pa ehwemu kra chese every 15% and as every small amount kakra bidi no unya 15% of your daily requirement of these nutrients no ewo sa emona obedi no timpacho say emona obedi nko ade a manenye Royal Aroma fortified rice na etimi aboa na bibia akoyi e de amount available ewo market bia edwaso bia obefa bia no onso onsa ebe kan de na oni abusuani na mosaka kregu nsu mu a eja mode ahwe mo afa ene ya holiday amanfo no anu amoini adi na momenye Royal Aroma fortified rice na and also etimi aye kama Empress na wo say enwumbe na menro adansidi okay mame enye se okay bills maybe food about kuma boy na mempe adansidi no adansidi na menro ento anafi yemfa no emfam wie na yewia yes I am ramidin komo ugusuti Adom 106.3 FM Ghana's #1 radio station na eneno Thursday by bear run freestyle to say the Friday no na yene Empress wa idea na say unse bibia edana kwam kama pa anyway pa da kro mumbo mu ase me perform stage bi so woni be ba mo so na me Okay. All right. So yeah, that's dinner. Yeah, trust on query.
Baby, I didn't know see you on the only my yeah, team of fun me on the children not to tea, yeah, today, na yeah, me boss, baby, I didn't know see you on the only my yeah, see me
Nice one. Yeah, Bama Nessie. And you more them. And more than that, you bombers. Imalo Fori. Semen can't say, oh, pastor. Utiupa near there. Sofo, Imano Fori. Yeah, that was a Utipa, Yamisha. Now, give to young share and no tro.
Okay.
And no tro. A dear bakwa. A very important power on to Nibia Brabum. Say, we will be a 1 out tron one, I say a mouth for tron no marcana. Well, Quanya the Befaswa. You can get people to write good songs for you, but Ibiambos enough delivery na IBBO. We share no 2 years senior. The minimum even cry a mouth for no crano all around the camera. Because of your live band background, grow phone you stage out by very what boss no. And you want to what to it was Hey, Nyamia, you. But back to my question. Say, one how to go about it. You mean when you get a good song, how do you handle that? In the first place, how do you get your songs and as a amount for more beats now? How do you go about it at the end? You know, making sure say it me come babontia amount for a sum.
Okay, on say Nyankopon ma wadom achede na wode ma wa oso usua ho ade upe hu nimdie wade na yede ama wo no eno nti si yede ebia me friend songwriter say afi we me bomb pie for the year na ye be wrem no word we na nyame de ma me ebia nyame ma me adanse di wo ma me hira Mami Adom, Yame Mami word, it be a favor. It's some bomb pie new ya me frail. No my catcher say, where do we na Yame de Yamami? Can you work towards this word way? Ain't he or the enyomene bar? Enyum baby ba me to make I say, enyum we mean I was so show strength.
Yeah.
We share the kind of lyrics we check it and you would be na and someone waka. Yeah. Tenya nyum bia ne obi atro no de apro no waje daddy. Me nyanesa. To what the bar me tie nyum no tie bio. Etebu am to me be 1 week tie nyum na ma from me say enyum we me hu I don't see myself in it.
Yeah.
So can you go back? No, I can't go back. No, I sound the for forever. Say, be a bear nyom back on where the back on to the bear different song they for. Wow. Then my catcher and say, yes, this is what way. I'll say, you soon. Yeah. There was a the account. And can it is not you. It is not meant for you. Yeah. It most of the song ni bebre or why or now we cried and nipano why you see the time phrase now be nyakra the bed train for you easy. Answer now better once said this is what God is giving you. You have to go and pray on it. Oko studio na engineer ni nyo obi obeboa and also say nyom. Yeah. It won ya obi a what wadom na say the kind of a pitch awufa o keys awufa obetumi aka catch us with this song you can't pick this key. Yeah. I was son when you be obebo okita good song ba but obemo abo ni titile so enti se me nya word na me de mom ana enwom na kasa ba na me record dia me akasa metenase etie enwom no all over na makome chiba no me say this is what I have, can you work around it? Or ye adwuma ni wi a me say me pe we nipa we so me back enwom. We have so many people on what the kind of songs o betumi abake. All right. Said ya metumi aka say o ma me reggae song ameto sa na obi so ono so ne backing no reggae song penu kita it is yes nyame the word ne ma na wonya anwom ne kra na still you need people to work on the song. Anwom ne bebra mo te say aduan yen kwa na etu no you won't crawl for more backing. Yeah. Over better treble, better tenor, or do any day, or you're gifted to a stance or better all the parts of the amount. Now, what Trianica tenor, they are me adding tea say, we are not say, oh, yeah, like a whole team and a 4 minutes to meet a young back on at the Abba. That's nice. Yeah, best share. Udi umpune ya kanwa sab kakra na ya tie no, but before that no in the industry mu komo kakra na yemfa no mrewie ba industry mu komo no kra sa na be rem no yenhwe collaboration ho asem kakra the upcoming album no say yenhu say zaza ewo we say so are there any other collaborations? Obi so was so I made never out. How the best all right, and now still on collaboration. Now can BBC will beat me the new year back. You don't see yourself in that song, and you wish to do what to say. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, same with a collaboration. Say, oh, honor artists be at on Safra say. And you win a my name per se. Do a new young better and also I said I know we can't artist now a brandy and now by way Raja is some way people and son what would bring no ground one new artist no more. Yeah. Omuni otwe ho. Omuni ahobrase ho. Omu fi se wutire mu ane atu. na de ye me ya say wo bo ne kura wi
yeah
so wonu we benya friendship familiarity obo dia no wetu ase wo munnim say say won me pese me ko braja mami konina
industry mun komo na did
you see they have to learn if you want a collaboration with somebody go down cosum. If you don't serve, you wouldn't get what you want. You see, most of them Ofie sikano near their collaboration, but they so small time of course. Obi wow, and you go a bow crema, meaning is any pancramation and down.
Yeah.
Kroim, Jerusalem, and you much any pancramation.
Maybe Michiana,
you see how it is. You see, and you soon if you want a collaboration, me, I have a lot of things that I look.
Yeah.
Approach I would buy. Obi wa me two way. Pay man cholo to them. Who send a message after WhatsApp. Or say check the song. I want to collaborate with you. Me two way. Me nyɛ no post office.
No man can now. Those things wouldn't say cry cry. Yet me face me. Small if we are free now babe.
Thank you.
Obi akwa enum na me hobby.
Uni hobby.
Now why you omo cry omo industry for a very long time.
They will call you.
We there for emphasis. Let me mention yesterday on my way to work. Sisi chum frame me.
Okay.
O frame no me din komo an o catch him so.
Me
ni one na ye ina. O de nyom no class was send am me kura na me hu me say was send am so sa. Ene me no kasa wi pa. Me check na my no so okay. Iti ye hwe say de betimi akona da kwan be bom na so be background na there. You know they will talk to you where there. Say so Instagram na Twitter ni ade a email address or then the offer I not there now to now send you message. Charlie, this is my new song. I beg, make you play and give. Charlie,
yes, I mean, so when you call the person, you see, there is this guy why are they make for me. I would say my lifetime in my career, I mean, obi or collaboration with brain.
Yeah.
It's me, yes, Anna. Me just can yes, because you don't respect the oil that I have.
Yeah.
You just need me.
Yes,
studio na member tone. No.
Yeah.
So one was and share Adom na open asia because there is aura around me in our pay.
Sure.
Me ni bibi wo me ho a man be follow me. Enye flyer na wo ye na wo de me to so na ye problem. And now Instagram page in the way now bloggers, gospel bloggers and ebe share ama wo no. Omo say ya 1 week o mo wi o. I think why ne be ye adwuma so you need to build a relationship. Me ba me show relationship. Na me no why ye adwuma.
I say I can the pass was wakasa. And mami used to you na me fan kasanche even up and coming musicians no omu not gospel phone kwana musician be a musician especially the young ones coming up munye steady obi okwa ne de no enye se enwum no pokura na ebia ode ayi enwum no asend was an attachment ebia via mail ana bibi kwa ana ebi kwa what obi timi send the link so this is the link to the song enti me no me nko ho na me nko download nwum no na me from na come on I want to mean kasa I want to mean cash you just send this e be correct me and put na me kasa mpo aba oh e bia bra me num be say oh don't worry
you see you build relationship and son ade a wo person wo dey
on can the crunch no what say boss this be my my new song also
I would want to check and check in your fancy
oh I'm here check my so yeah I say also so I beg this be the link so make you check out
check out
make I go check out
this my lifetime me ye guy your friend of Ivan Scotch you see me nim ni po too for but you could see say wakotena se
yeah
and the approach or the mama no I fell in love to help him enye bibia na yeska o me go to me about me ya no I don't mind I can give you my page
they are no monti ase and say sometimes they okay they don't understand relationships so sometimes you do something for artist A and then artist B and I mean me free me and I said and I said but you see yeah Yeah, more yesterday. Now, still on collaboration, but this time not Abia gospel, but Buna gospel musician, secular acts, no, or more a collaboration here. Meaning why about community. If going forward now with your new brand new team in there, day say secular phone be banner on person more collaborating on a song. Would you do it?
Say and collaborator. It depends on the song. Your memo more.
Yeah.
Your society be a or person ye and you efa oba or person ye and you efa fathers or person ye and you fa economy no.
Yeah.
Or person ye and you fa fix.
You see economy no so the only move.
Thank you. Yes. Like
brand economy no only move.
Or person be a or ye and you efa hospitals. Yes. Why not?
Yeah.
On mine or pursue bit because through music and
sure.
And see, these are the things that comes on board. I will do it. Obi wa say impress. Ma kwama ni ebi mu ase nye Kristo. You see, the people we are judging them, we are making mistakes.
Yeah.
My dear, Soundcroft, I know a lot of them they are so much into God's things. They don't joke with it at all. Me, Empress, who am I? To be in the gap.
My friend, a hip life for guys, back some time ago. Or I know so. Or what 20 Obidua.
Or so when?
Na ye dim komo.
Okay.
And I'm saying,
and so you have to chrome my gospel musician be a ground quack.
Why will be a no crown or can? Will be a gospel at ground. On call babies or waiting granda. So no hip life no catch him to or what you bomb paint to you.
See you
matter man here to come on to
only baby actually now alcohol. Uncle be kurada. Now so Soundcroft yeah. I don't want to work with them. I don't want to judge you. And so on theater kon wo motena so and no an motena so. Me anam kasi in the industry gomo yem fancy ya oko hospital e bia na baby akọ ho na e bia sa akọ de akonwa tena so enu anu
bed now that's no
so you see, believe in everybody's talent. I mean it's about time you honor somebody's own. Honor so honor what me say ya idea e bia ye ni project or koye say Empress. I would love to help.
Yeah. Yam kube cry and ye nimpu kwana. I shishi ode yam ko industry baby. Yam fancy ana yam hwe odiompu. Na yanka eno ho asem. Na fi
munyi ni fi.
Someone say, "Oh, stop one." Oh yeah, so baby, I could move. Okay, so what's your new now? What tron why be that sana little kobase
sana ye
so okay, enti can one bakwasem kakrache is it a song that you put together yourself and now obi a tron
yes enyum we enyuma Empress me akasa and me try me arrange ye
ukrum kasa argentina wa force we wa dey
me come kasa kra ba mu later yes who
say other languages wo mu
who say semeto a not team ni nyina ya tena se
yeah
enti me kasa okay yenya different language bi shemu a and say and if wa ukrum kasa
yeah
fa ko sheme because most of my songs no
asokwafa
asokwafa no ti ase
you punchiraw better
it's me kind of so then put your own language there,
yeah,
because so you'll be a unyum be a no the hook be shame you chrome kasa na msi okay because I'm a peck west and ye no
se ba ku bi a no so echi mo ada yimpo ai
atey yimpo mo
koka
the now says akasa ni nyina me come ma me ho e no kire me yie because a language it is a one can you obenya problem ti me kwen na ma me kire me say you can say then I was say you better na say now you putting it into a song na ye de koto so na ye san go back studio bi o ye me kire ba na ye odi yompo
okay
na ye san go studio back ti ye san ye e ye odi yompo ene my redeemer Ena me manager ne ka said no. I was saying you way. Ye different languages. We shouldn't bring any kind of saying a verse be our womb. It should be a
manager. Why you are so money do you?
Ghana, you money do money do. Ghana, you wow. Baby, I would did ya.
One because let me say
this. Baby, I would did now when you was soon. You're moody. Young country ruby. And then no crap and because when you papa course a beconi phone so ni text message a beconi phone so or be mouth text message say wo no nya adwuma bi. Yeah. Enti me pese me boni de
say we dey issue bi na na just say me backbone bi pa just say on familiar
more fire
ena I me dey me katasu mu aso bi na me bie bibia me a che ama wonim se dey just say ono a wo hu bibia ma cheche bia na ade wo ena fi obi afachire atiesi ho dadada okoya wakoka mi wa oni pa no so no enim bibia the genesis of bia afi timi one of friend no say I shon crofo a no mo nanti e na se ni se zinka
and no you be owo wisdom kaka
o no se we anka e ade a wo de asie mi ahon kan kire me
thank you
anka wa be se ma dwen wo
enti me destiny helpers me mo mudin but me pe edin me pe me wo code me de to o mo so anti me manager say me ka manager no na wa kwa akohwehwe no na wa kwa akoka asem e be ha me enti the american say management
ene manager and management ye chiechia mo gbo adwuma mo yire mo ho saa mo ye adwuma papa
because me ka say see ah Raja was for fun on be say ho nyina
wow
ti me nka me mo sumpo
eye enti unimu na wa o ka say ya akofa yi ba na me na me kra me refi na me se me bisa na me refi my redeemer no who say dey ho no na wo to ho no de him no odi yo puna vina ko my redeemer na say hey e say ni brofo sem e kosoro pa na ade say wo pese wo challenge ye friend say sisi one as money ade just say no international level na just all comes out
team no the team and the system is working for me.
What fix you team no
team ni here you see even how to pronounce the word no almost try me.
Wow,
you go this way
and not that way
and I listen. I mean me fa Medina menyane mambe te esa me hu dia me pese me and with the result of this song extra me say obie nu o pese osua unhu yes because obi tie you no be for the first time anyum kwa me kunti say hey you want to bro for you me fine no my ye de me hwese nka me kukura be recognize say oh eh me na
obi me ni so because the you are the fire there
na igbe unti say my ya wo me na me to say oh since I don't got
you tell you what I am me odi o
It's you, Jesus, my Redeemer. It's you, Jesus, my Redeemer. It's you, Jesus, my Redeemer. It's you.
Musa. Okay, so and the tree can
in crime
and mete in crime womb in you more jibu near the and udium puno and South Africa 5
a 5-fold ministry.
Wow. I love that. Wow, dear. It's a beautiful song.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. The academic can say, wow, can say, if you say, I copy the end of the year, no.
Yeah.
Ebe banka kra sa akopem say album na kasa bedrop no ye hwe anim kwan den ti de ebe kan say nyame nka ho
amen
na ondomo
amen
na botaye si woni so no mountimi ndo na se de why you city na wenya ho brase enso ama o new team o manager and no management wama omodada wa ma sisi bibia aye no ku fine
okay
bibia no ku fine no ku digital
no ku next question
et was na nya sa na ko wanim sa e wo use dim we no ko prophecy
no go obey.
yes. So you are fine. All right, give us a bit down. More person show appreciation to them one of you.
With you for you say. Yet Nyamia se wo premprem so woni edri cause enye easy sa. Nyamia ye bia maye meda wase ye Jerry Justice. On no penalty it is Jerry Justice. Nyami Shao. Producer Papa Bills Mumu DJ Nyami the whole Ghana the whole Ghana DJ went to me at what the voice of party the Amatiana thank you Nyami Enshrano Nyami Shami new management Nyami Enshr Mopa Glover of Nyami Enshr and I'm person me fa kwenye so eda eye noko digital calling for no. Once I then calling the international for na ATM no. I nyame insha obibia. I want to say thank you for supporting my ministry. I thank you for the prayers. Obibia share your online. Nyame insha mo na nyame enyamo kese. Afa yi so me pese me da eye me ban na Edi Empress Echino. I just want them to know, say I love you. And to all my Muslims fans.
Last week, me say now appreciate you, pa. I'm saying no more Bobia free house. So my band, then I'm saying, hey, mama fans here.
Mama fans. You good though.
Wow.
It's
good to appreciate people when they do you good. Inti
me such a Maryland. That
so
very soon. We say Honoka was like New Jersey, or New York, or Maryland.
Yes.
Baby, I'm inviting you to this Overflow concert this year 2021. Our Royal House Chapel, Herticourgeous Ministry. I say inviting you to be there. Myself, Empress, I am represented.
Sure.
And guess what? I am not there to just sing, but I am there to minister to God's children. Okay. I believe, say, a time and the season, say, nyame peso or family, so don't just come because of Empress, but come, say, you are going to meet Jesus.
Great.
And by the end of that praise and worship program, your life will never be the same.
Wow.
There will be an unction and overflow of blessings upon your life.
Hallelujah.
And may catch you be say when you are coming, just come with something on your heart. Because nyame so be for that very faithful day. I can't wait to be there. I can't wait to be part of the whole team. God bless everybody who listen to Empress. And you are listening to Adom 106.3 affirm.
Hey, you're quiet. Oh man. Me anam se me press ready e yo de onko bye. Oh man. I was your patrioty a favorite carbonated soft drink. A Club Minerals and your Dean Fofro. Yes. With the same refreshing taste and flavors, Club Mineral is now Club Spaletta. Yeah. So switch up your groove with a bottle of Club Spaletta, still in your favorite orange, muscatella, tonic, and soda flavors. Club Minerals, now Club Spaletta. A new look, a new feel, but same great taste. So go ahead when you want to refresh yourself during those delightful moments and grab a bottle of Club Spaletta in 4 different flavors. Club Spaletta, still your favorite Club Mineral flavors. If I try rent to own Abagana, I can't want someone there. When Tina a pound there, Drew, wow, lie. I am talking about the Plant City Expansion Project. Rent to own. You see, Ghana, and it's getting better and better and better. Now, sir, rent to own, and she say a bit me am when you say, and now grab it me and ya a year a dime. We a Ningo Pram District Assembly and in the partners supported by the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development and UN Habitat and Omresa and She Abba na Imuyapa. So be smart where you live and where you trade matter. You can own a home or a fully serviced commercial land and now say space. Ya be do Juma. But member rent free so be joining a affiliate housing cooperatives no. This I say when one share more day year pa at the more month for. Ubit me apply for the special lifeline offer. Yeah, no, it lasted up to the 31st of October 2021. Yeah. BBN now person need dinkita one 055 55 30 300 and after 0577 911 101 and our last number is 055 705 4635. Website newaccra.city. The Planned City Extension Project, shaping Ghana's urban future. Now, and then holiday, it's any formal. Your corner, but definitely we'll do something. What I say, now, Enra, says Scott, a drop a bomb back Enra on the show, or drop a bomb back. Now, no shit. It's a show, no, and a bomb no drop a and made it to Instagram. Now, and someone call for kafa. Aside the comment column one amount for commenting no. Omwa chese omu DM me direct messages e ba me beso. E was a bomb na abranti to ye. E yen pimpacho. Oko Instagram says here da. For those of you who follow me no, maybe on check ya unhu ya obeti me ako. Me handle at Jerry Justice. Yeah, just that. Edina Jerry Justice on Instagram. That's JERRYJUSTIC. And go check that one out. Or say, maybe my mistake. I says God. Bomb pa. Bomb and no bomb ne heavy. Or say, send nipple no it tasty saltier. So check a brown. God, Bryce and knife me. You're not easy. Says God.
Bradley.
And then young corner for ma.
And yeah,
now, what to say?
Adom.
Hey, says God.
Yamin Shroud.
Yeah, where are you?
Oh, Shroud,
because
when you say, one man for Abbe follow me, ba.
Oh, sir, I and the I want your followers all
ba. And may have a nigga nipa be 37.
Sir,
just
and therefore Monko Instagram na Monko follow says Scott is here, right? Now they no ne handle no at say underscore Scott underscore Debbie. I know underscore official, right?
Yeah, official.
So says Scott official, but any one and boom says Scott official. And you know at say underscore Scott underscore official.
Yeah.
What I say no. Mo follow no says here. Mo follow says Scott says here. Why? Mo follow no says here. Remember Rev is says Scott official, but underscore between the say and then between the Scott and the official. Why? Now mo follow no na
and my man follow me.
Or two bomb will be an mo say source one and why? And then holiday
and
so what that Menya boko.
Okay.
It's a holiday.
It's a holiday. And Bradley, what can I say? Okay. And then put men to bomb men carry.
Okay.
Men to bomb men carry. But Bradley, Nancy, you to now ban in the city name Memano. Bradley, and Yama be cosum in Diasia.
Dear, they're cosum.
Bradley, almost young Yama. Dear baby, do as if you are crossing a gutter. I don't see a dear bad. Baby, do as if you are crossing a gutter.
And no baby, no bema baby, and no baby.
There be some matress and mema youth in Abano. I say almost Yama too much.
It's Bema, say baby, do as if you are crossing the water.
So almost Yama Brusu too much on your band, so a baby, do as if you are crossing a gutter. No idea. In fact, I don't know. Why they? I don't know. In fact, Mema Monto was. Brother, can I tell you something?
Go on and talk to me.
Brother, we are about.
Yeah.
Who empna mako 5. You have 5 boyfriends. Yes, still you are living in a compound house. What do you gain, my sister?
Oba 5 boyfriends.
Still, what a compound?
Now, Oba bet me 5 boyfriends. Hey,
brother, we come. Let me tell you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Me catch you. Ebi kuta 16. Ebi kuta 10.
Na diomwe.
Say e will be answering ni din. Now, who dating in Pabaya 5 in our compound house? What are you trying to tell me? What do you gain? It's not just a dear pa na woye. Abrabona party na woye no. Brother, in Penifone Ebu ni baby say akwala. Otimi ede ne maame no fudi agro. Ne mum enye ne papa ntohwe. Intimacy. A hot. Say a bebu. Okay. A benso dia wo kan na waka. Yeah. Brother, in fact, to the bia we a bema na wo date or bar or your last born very confusing.
Ne sense di.
Brother, to the bia wo nim say whether she's missing you or the mother. You see, to the bia na happening. Yes, to the bia na happening. Okay. Ti brother no. And there was a moment to bomb to me. Pesa bomb na matron me the so I will just keep it low like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Brother, my main comments am no so na yen.
Yeah.
Ohio.
Yeah.
Ohio. Brajeri, Governor Woho Eden Zambia Babetu dia watch say one more COVID ba ya yenya ehu adura vaccine ba ya ye hwe say ombeba be wo no omo kire say omotwa sika eye $1 million obi biara obeba be wo bia no unse eduro ne ba na abrofo no omo mpeso ombewu nti omo kire say governor na kire say adehye wo Ohio die utimi be wa ya betimi atabri say scan ediama
okuteki vaccine na ebe moska
especially
yes you pese ya won ha kran so
inti yabema $1 million Brajeri we dia check o hafa Brajeri yankwa China
okay
na unse China ye kura esopa na
oman esopa
oman so mamenka ne sa oman meka kuro dia akwese ya oman ya esopa na Brajeri unim surrounding men can say surrounding towns na ewo ho no oma hemre bi na Brajeri madwene ho amenti ase central government ewo ho oma ba be ka say Brajeri birthday parties and other celebrations na omo hwe na omo agai
sa
minim say COVID-19 into say den you but omo kire say the way economy ne tie no I say on pese almost sustaining a kakrintin sanya mani nyina na me say na obi celebration dey efa economy ne ho saying I say madwene ho amenti ase ti adehye e ho no nso no I say omutirimu nya but Brajeri aban na ahye mra no ne hwan yes aban na ahye ne de na che say say wudi so a enesa Brajeri Italy former ambassador ono ababaye the first woman to lead Italy almost secret service.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah. Ain't you know, congratulations. She's the first person that break our record.
Okay.
Yeah, she's the first person that break our record, you know. And you know, idea Brajeri.
Yes, my my boss. Okay.
Okay, Brajeri.
Yeah.
My main cancer me. Oh, there. Who said medimienu ama akwa my family trade. Oh, men to bomb. Also I'm starting and men to bomb.
All right.
So what's my men? Me need the holiday what's my men?
Holiday.
Okay, well. Brajeri. Yeah. Unim. Don't be fooled. Brajeri.
Yes.
Catch a man and say, don't be fooled. Say, Osha African movie and ma pay here for a African movie necessary reality me pacho.
It's not like that. Okay.
And only a foot number 1.
Okay.
Brajeri.
Yeah.
Sawabane babesrao. Nasa ne jeans. And then the pants ni robo moi. She's not a virgin. Nimi anu nyina wo robo mu atuanza. She's not a virgin.
Say
yes. She's not a virgin. I check it. Brajeri and a mental bomb. Midi Edison Scott. And that's Alaji Gruza Babet. Alaji Gruza. Alaji Gruza Babet.
Opening me, and then
Kakrabe do side the over here ground.
Is it here or Daroma?
Is it the Unia Trawa and where you are?
Can see any more than you free came one of my
I can't see Bossy Papa.
Life is good.
Is it a common name here, Pana? And say you are number one. Let me see answer my bedtime. But I meet you, me monitor.
Yeah.
From time to say no chassis.
Yeah.
But I'm a show in few from baby and no one said ended. It's you, cousin. I told Papa that I'm
what?
Make us an house.
Oh no, I'm listening.
Opening, what I want to say is that I just told Papa.
Yeah.
That I want to give you a
give
surprise.
Me okay.
Yeah, it's not by giving you fuel.
Okay.
And it's not by giving you clothes. It's not by giving you a new cap.
Yeah.
I want to give you something better.
Something better?
Something better.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So name something.
I should name something?
Yeah, name something.
You want me to name something, then you give me that thing.
Something.
I want money.
You want money?
Yeah. Sure.
You want money?
I want money.
You want money?
Yes, I want money. I'll cash your money.
Okay. Life is sweet.
Yes.
That's why I like these guys. No dulling. You don't have to be dull. You know? Whether you have it or you don't get it, you can sit on radio, you yelp, then you get up and go. So as you want money,
yes,
I'll give you some later when you see me at the back here.
Sorry, go. Oh no. That was Kobe Stone. Or Command Craft. Digress. Kofi Kenata. Happy birthday going out to my lovely wife, Gifty Akufu Ado. You've been a wonderful, adorable, and an amazing gift from God to support me in life. From your husband, Bernard Akufu Ado, wishing you a happy birthday. Now, I'll say a new way, and I am more from Digress by Kofi Kinata. And special greetings and come out, Sister Dede, walk as 1.4. At the same, the two chama bruta, Maton Kappa, I miss me a daupa. Mauli catch Sister Dede, say me say, me ya dano wati, Nyamin Kano. And special greetings going out to you, Millie, all the way in the UK. Although we need to say, I do believe say BBI cool. Nyamen Kao, I am a mentor on Kawati. Now no na Madame Fubako on cry. Oh no, Evelino. Jerry, it's been a long while now. Ultimate can change. They say Yaria Boundino. I shouldn't you be guy who are not checking out you. And also Evelyn Menstru. Bibia be fine. Nyamika what? Happy birthday going out to you. Rosalind Sakite Mante. I pray for God's blessings for you as you begin a new chapter in your life. From Redemption Junior Youth Teachers, Omuna say Omo Ewe show a happy birthday. And special greetings going out to you, Mr. and Mrs. Chomenya. Eugenia Na Lamle Chomenya Mrs. Unuknu Mr. Christian Chomenya Nichichamo. And a big congrats Enko Emma Sheikh Ahmed Kwamena Nkrumah, CEO of Nostrum Enterprise, on your successful completion of the Ramadan fasting. May Allah continue to guide you and protect you from your brother Listowo Kojo Fojo of Adom FM. Greetings, Jerry. Hope you're doing well. Please, I want you to wish Comfort Akpene a happy birthday for me and ask for God's blessings upon her life as well. Thanks from Chantel. Jerry, please wish Michael Ofori happy birthday. He happens to be the head of IT at the Church of Pentecost, Sofa Kujo Temple, and Sakumono District as well. With here, Stephen Fosue Siamanchen. Greetings, Jerry. This is Kwabi, and today happens to be my friend's birthday. Her name is Dorcas Abba Apia of Adringano SDHH. Want to wish her long life, good health, strength, and absolute peace of mind. I love her so much. Hey, Kwabi said you do so much. I can't with it. Holiday, Mama na said Mama holiday na I had to say you know. See Anna. Ubruni bin so be rest studio. Your man akwaba na rest e dey no Ubruni di na mo. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay.
And what's the name?
Nancy Adom.
Nancy
Adom.
Adom.
Yes.
Where did you get the Adom from?
My husband is Ghanaian.
Oh, I see. That's good. Your husband is a Ghanaian.
Yes.
So shouts to Mr. Adom wherever you are. Your wife is here with us. Anyway, so where are you from?
I am from the U.S. I live in Texas.
Wow. So you're here on a visit?
Yes, to meet my husband's family.
Oh, okay. So you left him there or you came with him?
No, he's in the U.S.
You left him there.
I came all by myself.
Oh, wow. That's nice. So how long have you been here?
It'll be 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Wow. And so far, how is it going?
I love it.
You love it. Wow.
I need to come back with my American kids.
That's nice, and it would be nice to have them around too. But let's talk about food. So so far, which Ghanaian food have you enjoyed so far?
Well, I love jollof.
Nigeria for Monkoda Ghana jollof. The Ghana jollof.
I've had
Yes.
That's better.
That's nice. All right. So, Mrs. Adom, thank you so much for passing through to say hello to us. Okay, this is Adom FM. This is Ghana's #1 radio station. It happens to be a member of the multimedia big family. So you see, this man here will try and say his is the best, but forget about them. Joy FM, Hits FM, Asempa FM. We all under one umbrella, known as the multimedia group. And when it comes to broadcasting, this is the #1 place to be. The whole of Africa. I'm not bragging about it. I hope you know about it already.
Yes, I've known
Okay.
this, though.
Yes. All right. So have a pleasant stay. When are you leaving?
Saturday night.
Oh, this very Saturday.
Yes.
Oh, you organize now. We need to hang out small for you, yeah. Anyways, thanks so much for passing through. All right. Jerry, it happens to be my firstborn's birthday. Didn't cry away. Birthday, no, Obani didn't cry anymore. Anyway, it didn't even be any such as a tough because I mean to me, we should be our Brahmin Budi. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I said in Comobium, and then on time I catch him said, baby, a better but it will be right after this one.
Is the latest Infinix Hot 10T coming this new month? Hurry now and buy the latest Infinix Hot 10T and get cool gifts, crossbody bags, sports bottles, marks, and many more. The Hot 10T is the latest addition to the Infinix Hot series. The Hot 10T has 6.82 HD plus big video gaming display with a massive 5000 mAh battery capacity. It also features a Helio G70 gaming CPU that makes it super fast for all your gaming pleasure. Buy now for a cool price of 788 Ghana cedis for the Infinix Hot 10T, which has 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM and 888 Ghana cedis with 4GB RAM plus 128GB ROM. Visit any accredited Infinix shop nationwide to purchase.
Infinix, the future is now.
Hello,
Hello, I'm a Yabueni. Yemo Jinkwa, when you're 10,000 Ghana cedis. Anne, 10,000 Ghana cedis a big wabosu. Nanso and Sanabanyasiki. Is some money a Bribika, crabby the home mobile money number you saw, or mobile money pin number count. The what's really at Jusicano. I am simple crash.
Dawoso MTN ejumai from fro say Triesika anam process send the credit bia ansan wabedi achedie bia wedi ansan obedi achedie bi no na watoa ho akrade kai say won fa mobile money pin ema bia de bia da eye wasumasem se opemu no kra fra 100 ana bora MTN service center bia na womwa woni nchiremu obetumi so abamane ewo mmfraud.gh@mtn.com ana text call 1515
MTN, everywhere you go.
No matter the culture that may change the tradition, no matter the rhythm that may change the groove, we still remain the same. Because it's the same great taste that brings the same great memories. Your favorite Club Minerals is now Club Sparletta. Yes, Club Sparletta with the same refreshing flavors. Muscatella, orange, soda, and tonic. Go on, enjoy the new Club Sparletta. Club Mineral, now Club Sparletta, is still your favorite soft drink. This advert is FDA approved.
Jedie wo melkom ayekese asanso ayesron kokra esanse melkom wonyama impimpim awodro wo ne shop mu te se electricals efie nyoma enkunya electronics edemo asiesie nyoma eni nduane awodro bebre intino amadwedie aye enika enichisem melkom biaya dwedie nyina wo faako nanso kai se Mrane shishaye da hon. Melkom, where Ghana shops.
Hello.
Yo, nasi saying.
Talemania, Miss Row, me here once is here.
That's him.
I send beside you.
Meet you.
Yama Musa 9 cities. Yama Kwame so 36 cities. And a Pokian Sunya 27 cities. Now why should I say here? Sika same pan at the Labina.
Chama, Shakonya, wait a long equation. Yedika from Musa.
Uluneko to Abusia and then of one time say, oh, big a crowd. Small Quedica and a pen of Betaoka. Nasa Wakasano Suchaya. Ubedi Koma, Untiashi. Near some 50 megabytes free. I will be Albecasa. Press star 315. Now for Uberdom. MTN free after one. And free say, we are good together. Everywhere you go. Kaise, in shake a crown.
It's time to believe in you. We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid. And in the valleys, keep your head up high. Got to dream with Boomer drinks. Boomer, yeah. Believe it, you can achieve. Boomer, oh yeah. Clap your hands for the whole new vibe. Make me set the place on fire. Oh yeah, come alive. Let me hear you. Boomer drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huadeng.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be count.
And what day immune system when you coupon, and you're ready for the animal somewhere who by no. And Nasa wonum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system nabribia. Ya rientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, don't know what dance you say. And Yarwa who run Nipa and Yina etimi banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, you want suing you know, a boy who buy every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and more who are deep in tea. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esiomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jody and Cratry, what you say, ye.
Yo, Johnny Jr.
Hey, Mercury Quay!
Charlie, with team you this support.
Charlie, I beg, hold on with the team. Hold on. See, the atmosphere is charged for rivalry and fun. Real Madrid, Atletico Madrid, Liverpool, Dortmund, Manchester United, Barcelona.
So everybody they ask, say, what team you there for or what team you be against?
My buddy, rock your favorite club jerseys and join us live on our various social media handles at Hits 103.9 FM for this year's
Rep Your Jersey 2021.
As we watch the grand finale of the UEFA Champions League live on the gargantuan screen between the Blues of Chelsea and the Citizens of Manchester City.
There will be various activities such as video game competitions, sports quiz competition, and many more. Saturday 29th May 2021. Bayview Village is the place to be, and the time be 3 p.m.
Charlie, this year's edition is strictly by invitation, so tune in to Hit 103.9 FM for a chance to win one. All COVID-19 protocols will be observed.
Rep Your Jersey 2021 is brought to you proudly by Hits 103.9 FM and supported by Joy Prime. Sponsored by Great Odds, you go feel 'em. Hits FM, Rep Your Jersey 2021. Eagle Pass! Them they discuss you.
Malcolm Shapo, Ojara Yeli Hokome Pegbe, Bianele, Egbe Shahefe, Nijem Mofia Mo Yojara Yano, Nibi Feni Otaole, Obana Yejeng, Yajeswa Wachojin Srotoi, Shia Nibi, Batashi Nibi, Jumli Sain, Shia Samo Nibi, Ni Homo Nibi, Ni Srotoi, Kaye Samo Nibi, Shapo Jara Yeli Emojogban Ye Melko, Shikai Make, Mlaike Akboy, Yenifi Moy, Ahefen Yejeng, Melcom, where Ghana shops.
That's right, and we are back. Yeah, Twaso Akoyenim Uzuti 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. Now, when say, my catcher that I say, holiday, no, Bibia and horse, but formula bia now you be call say akopim say 6 bebo. I may check it time. We are just about 2 more minutes to 5. Na ya trust akwe na the adus we no a GH story. Na GH story no eno ene de wen biwa community na ebedi nkomo.
It's a GH story. Toka Kuzni in the mix. Appear boost. Nansai international me kisa gana be ana. 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 Brian boy in my sorry, I got in a roach. Pesami kuna ni teya ni bekuye. Pesami kuna ni hoya ya gana. Cheki usubano ya. Susu usubana ya. Sisa usubazanya gana ni bia. Nansai metenasena mekisa gana be gana. 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 Brian boy, enema eno. Intine koso, intine. Nansai metenasena mekisa gana be gana. Try and wash ya. As we are Gana and Yami Bidia, Nibisa, Yami Pifi, Anna, Yam Swadane, Azan, Stone Sack, Le Papa, Superstar, Gangster, Pasta, and Apamaya, Asasipa, Asasea, Ampa, Apaskamaya Casa, Yaya Baba, Gamse, Ubeden, Sayaganen, I'll say it, the Sawan, Sakachalidia, Ufichana Mundia, the Fotokakra, Nabohoka Fakutu Kaya, the Wako Asia, Konako Disika, Papa Aisha, Madam Semuhima, Queen of the Senior, Papa Jeffuswatum, Bakusoyo Jeffnu, Eya, and Sutimbe Benadamigata, Utressio Massaseton, Messia Devia, Uyamu Swaton, Masasuia, Abidjan Bekasa, Sell Home and Chima, Politicians Ayaba, they need Domagana, since the days of Nkoma, no plan for Ghana, Yaka and Kopasa, and propaganda, and Ungani Kasemu, Eviani Osu, Abe, Kube, Chiliana, Oso, Yadigana Hamache, Namafunya Jumane, Nano Banyatete, Asem Sebe, Asemba Koswa, Eya, Seoya, and Yadubeka Kotoya, Sabia, Unimubi Oha, Akise Osika, Ghana Mishamika, Asia, Wodia, Monsieur Monaco de Fiasse, Baya said, Yabao de Wafiase, Christopher, Camofonti Modatiase, Mope Heaven, Masami Mobo, Nansai, International Mekisa Gana Beana, Nansai, International Mekisa Gana Beana,
Munyabutre. Enti mumu dinu na GH story.
GH story.
Edi amafade atomo no. Eba ne se munka wansam kakra she eba. Mudinu abakwasam no say
GH. Yeah, portray the picture of Africa through the eyes of the Ghanaian.
Yeah.
Enti and some see o ye krom ha no. Na ye hwe na ya dia to enwom. Na effect ye pese nya no. Na ya portray o music no.
Na se mo amoka no nwum yi.
Na no edin.
Mo na mo tro nwum yi.
E ba che wan.
Na mo we da na mo we.
Sorry, yeah, starting music at you, but you might time.
Yeah. But you see, you do
corporate world there. No, say so you live kakra na dia be because man must also.
It do can sana. Wo no dey adwuma na ayenti a just say wo live near there.
Me West IC.
Where adwuma SIC?
I'm insurance investigator.
Where insurance investigator?
Yeah.
To investigate your own and Yaman Koyi and Amudia.
SMP.
Wow, if I saw Munjani and now Munja, 2 gentlemen.
Yeah.
You're from GH Story. On your Nana, Adrigo, and you know, me Shadana, your best sample because, and someone, now someone more canny now, what to me say, yo, you want it 3 years, goose. Wow.
There is everything 1 year new.
We releasing 1 year.
1 year.
What you about saying? COVID time one.
Some pepe. Social media and I talk a crowd. Facebook crowd. We got almost 500,000 views.
Whoa.
Yeah. And then I encourage you. Normalizing it. So no, this is a song that cannot go away because in some way Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can. In fact, West. Yeah. It is getting worse. Ghana for sweating, Papa. But if it's
they will make this song irrelevant, but
irrelevant. They've not been able to render it irrelevant.
Yeah.
I love that.
Sure.
Wow.
Yes.
Mummy said TB Nafi, Yenim Komaka.
It's a GA story. Toka, Kuzne, in the mix. Appear to Nansai maintenance and I'm against a Ganabe. 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 Alright, boy, and am I in the Cosway in the Nansai maintenance and I'm against a Ganabe. Ghana, me sama semi, asemi yame. Ebra nana no mabre, be ebregoana.
Ghana for muntie nyum no nsam no.
Yes, ni bi asia ya kache. Ango bi beton ni o manina, sorry akotina broche. Pesa mi kunya ni taya ne bekuya. Pesa mi kunya ya hoya ya Ghana. Chaki usubano ya Susu usubana ya Sesa usubasanya Gana nibia Nansai metenase na mekisa gana beana 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 Brian boy, and am I in the Cosway in the bay. Nansai maintenance and against Ghana, if you can't wash ya. So yes, Ghana and Yami Bidia, Mibisa, Yami Pefi Anna, Yam Smatane Aza, Stone Sack, Ne Papa, Superstar, Gangsta, Pasta, and Apama Yasasa, Asasia, Ampa, Apaskama Yakasa, Yaya Papa, Galam say, Ubedem, Say Ghana, I'll say, Sawam, Soka Chalidia, Ufusana Mundia, and from Sokaka, Yabahoka Papo Kaya, Yawako Asia, Kona Koju Saka, or Papa Aisha, Galam say, Queen of the Senior, Papa Flatu. Bakuso yojefu eya ensuti le benada ne gata oteju masaseto kwesi ade wiya onyina no so aton onsansu wiya original bekasa so machima politicians ayaba ye need of Ghana since the days of Nkoma no plan for Ghana yaka ene kopasa ene propaganda enungane kasemunu ewiye ne ye osu abe kube chinyana osuno ye di Ghana hamache na mafonye juma ye ananu bani atete asem sebe Asaba Koswa Eya,
say oh yare ne do be ba koto yare sabia uni obi o ha agi say o sika Ghana me se meka asia yare odie musumo na koda fiase Pray was said, Jamla, would they were free? I say, Christopher, Gramophone, Timo, that's I say. Mope have na call, Master Yamobo. Ah, I'm saying it's international, make it a Ghana Bay, Anna. I'm saying it's international, make it a Ghana Bay, Anna. I'm saying it's international, make it a Ghana Bay, Anna. I'm saying it's international, make it a Ghana Bay, Anna. All right, boy. And am I it's in the crossroad, in the bay. Time it's nothing, I'm against a Ghana Bay, Ghana, 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 Ghana. Ofie Kwanso
wow. Tienu title no Ghana. It is a obi e panwi a GA story Ghana. Adom.
DistroKid.
All the platforms no
Ghana. Spotify.
Okay.
Apple platforms.
Now monka bibi nkyere me. Moye obi anyese bia hasni ya ne ade mo ye mo nyuma kama ne ade ana de mo so mo huni na mo pese mo de fa nwom to so ma Ghana for ehu anye bia no is it that the ma observe na mo pese mo ya na se bia mo de nwom to no so pese si mo ani so de ye se de binum de ayo mo nyuma yi sa na mo kan bi nchebe
e bia be do stage we no music ni mo ba be your main preoccupation na other corporate task secondary because I think that's our passion, that's our talent, that's what's in us. We have a lot for Ghanaians. A lot. Because a GA story, I'm say Obahabu more. GA story, but more. But Ghana ne je yenyaika. Yeah, koso no. I'm say yenyaika yenyaika. Although your other songs, send you one there be. Romani abeya. No, but patriotism ne je we mu. Until you remember love songs, conscious music, but patriotic songs. And no, yeah, it's sorry, it's been trying Brian can't on my Ghana sem. And same you guys are kind of a born there, but yeah, in so boss, in so Brian, so bro. Because when you're I don't move. We're Ghana history. Government, you know, with me, suppress the people. What try I'll be failing.
Wow.
Yes,
but me show. It's a na okay. Mo the new one about and no dey onka Ghana was me.
And then
mo dey no head mo di do dan.
And sorry them. Me Roman intimacy. Me Roman intimacy.
Train mo me
Roman intimacy. Me abear my incense.
Train munyawute. Na music Ghana be na fi mo room for mo
incense on say a song for all people of faith. Yes. Oh, and we are using that as a Catholic, you know. That's what struck me. Say that part of our worship na burning incense. No say it's a bit controversial.
Okay, one go.
Me Roman intimacy. Me Roman intimacy. Me Roman intimacy. Me abear my incense. Yeah, roll my phone to your shit, pam pam. Yeah, roll my phone to your shit, pam pam. Yeah, roll my phone to your shit. Yeah, we burn the incense as a sacrifice to the Lord, as a sacrifice to the Almighty, as a sacrifice to the Lord. Me I burn my incense. As a sacrifice to the Lord, as a sacrifice Holy to the Almighty, as a sacrifice to the Lord. Me I bear my incense. No cry. Me say, mintie ni a obekasai. Me Roman intimacy. Me I bear my incense. No cry. Me say, mintie ni a obekasai.
Oh, father, friend say.
Yeah. Okay, Mr. JC Amwa, Catholic.
Debbie, and your papa, Roman father, so parish or now.
Then I have a seminary. My father is almost Dawson, Catholic priest.
So,
who's a seminary?
Ghana Yampaibo. Anna and she has no she sha and Papa boy into Ghana. Yes, not Ghana to me. Yes, because Unse kind on 7 Dawson. Oh, and I see a
Namumi and Mushiawe.
Okay, yeah, brothers from
infancy, yeah, from Kanagati, yeah, we've been.
And I'm Mashia Bumwa.
The same room, we went to the same school. We do secondary level and me, Yakubo Frame. What's suffering? I'm seminary. We went to me. I said,
Bukuare, and it's a Roman school, and it's a Roman there.
Watch for the way about. Watch for the way about.
Abuja, J story.
Yes.
And I'm a young way. And J baby, Mummy and Roman.
Be a Roman intimacy. Be a Roman intimacy. Be a Roman intimacy.
It's a G story.
Yeah, Roman phone to your shit. Yeah, Roman phone to your shit. Yeah, Roman phone to your shit. Yes, we burn the incense. As a sacrifice to the Lord, as a sacrifice to the Almighty, as a sacrifice to the Lord, I burn my incense. As a sacrifice to the Lord, as a sacrifice to the Almighty, as a sacrifice to the Lord, I burn my incense. No kind of prayer, Mr. Mose, Bitania, all back I said, be a Roman intimacy, Mr. I burn my incense. No gonna cry, Mr. Mose, Bitania, all back I said, be a Roman intimacy, Mr. I burn my incense. As long as I live and breathe, I will worship my Lord until I can breathe. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Jehovah is my maker. As long as I live and breathe, I will worship my Lord until I can breathe. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Jehovah is my maker. As a sacrifice to the Lord, as a sacrifice to the Almighty, as a sacrifice to the Lord, as a sacrifice to the Lord, as a sacrifice to the Almighty, as a sacrifice to the Lord, be a Roman intimacy, be a Roman intimacy, be a Roman intimacy, I bear my incense. Yeah, Roman phone to your shit. Yeah, Roman phone to your shit. Yeah, Roman phone to your shit. Yes, we burn the incense. From the rising of the sun to its setting, the holy, holy one, my Lord, is setting. You answer every question, your shelter is the best thing, your power is the fire everlasting. From the rising of the sun to its setting, the holy, holy one, my Lord, is setting. You answer every question, your shelter is the best thing, your power is the fire everlasting. Them are evil machinations and their wicked calculations. I'm burning. Them are evil machinations and their wicked calculations. I'm burning them up. Watch nobody, none is holy. They said they be holy, but that is not funny. Watch nobody, none is holy. They said they be holy, but that is not funny. One creature said to be worshipped as kings and queens. Mere mortals say that we need to worship the Creator. I don't understand, but I've taken a stand to bear my incense to the heavens, to the heavens. I am Oremus, says the way I have been at Christi. I am Oremus, says the way I have been at Christi. I am Oremus, says the way I have been at Christi. I am Oremus, be a Roman intimacy, be a Roman intimacy, be a Roman intimacy, I bear my incense. Yeah, Roman phone to your shit. Yeah, Roman phone to your shit. Yeah, Roman phone to your shit. Yes, we burn the incense.
Therefore,
who you are?
Dear Diacoso Yani Pity. NT GH story.
Papa.
Roma ni oh.
Doctor 2020. Yeah, no, you too for Ghana, hono. Let the cancel in your mere sense. From the rising of the sun to its setting, the holy one, my Lord, is certain. You answer every question. Your shelter is the best. Your power is the fire everlasting. Them are evil machinations and their wicked calculations. I'm burning. Them are evil powerful songs. While you praise your maker, you burn the incense to burn their evil machinations and their wicked calculations. Because it's a two-edged sword. Two-edged sword.
Yeah.
So this song, just go get it.
Okay.
Prove with your family.
Yes, we are available, baby. More videos to it. But Ghana, there so video no.
Powerful video.
Papa, asma metina say na mentiase. Video no, you had that pair and ma musa bobo. Can dance. Almost be the twerking. Na gina ho mentiase.
Yeah, surprise.
Why video na papa? And ma na sa bobo come. Oh, sorry there.
And so a man for some promo be
twerking. Me dem agina ho kura me there. You go the real me put them
what did that? Be careful. Let's keep our culture.
Because having incense.
Now what having that?
Babu na dey change. Babu dey na kind of babu.
Revelations 8.
Roman is to be shit. Oh, me a Roman is to be shit. Aye, me a Roman is to be shit. Misha. I remember he said,
sacrifice to the Lord,
as a sacrifice
only for the Almighty,
as a sacrifice to the Lord. Misha.
Eti why they produce more?
For now, distinction
consult.
Yeah.
Distinction consult. Yeah. I'm no mukru mu ane ade. Moi na mo say distinction consult no. Any consortium.
I'm not on prem.
Tare. James story. What story?
Okay. Enyumbi. Shake that body in the name of Jesus.
Shake that body in the name of Jesus.
Shake that body in the name of the Lord. Shake that body. Anyway, ekuma ya ntehwe ya bofo na boy nti. Woman. Yeah, woman we men no more sakakra. Yeah, it's working. Oh, but they are shaking their body in the name of Jesus. Yes. I'm really surprised. Oh, yeah, intention no.
Oh God. Only the radio radio.
Papa ya di.
Madi holiday we buja. Jeko, madi holiday papa. Oh. Wow.
Papa, GS story no. And yama eba.
More stories.
Na Ghana nsemo kota osam na more than 1 year. GS Ghana stories.
Yeah.
We are saying your
we don't want to hear.
All right. Enti yadin komo baby you know. Edien na Ghana for kosunhwe nim kwan from GS story.
We are going to remain authentic. Once the way I we Ghana na.
I said, we are different. Like, yeah.
So different. So we are going to remain faithful to our style. We are not going to change. They pushy Ghana music. They are doing their best, you should say.
Okay.
What they can do. But if you say we can fit in there.
Okay.
You love songs, whatever. We are there. We are there. It's just a strategy we are rolling out. It's a fans. Some of them are impatient. For Ghana, say it was a year. But COVID now there no move.
Yeah. But na say mu no ase no say amanfo na GS story. Sana Roma no so no my yade mo tunyamanyon my yade. I didn't go yes you cheers sorry them. It mean yade bia. Oh not it me bonum e praise Onyankopon. Go praise na I mean bibia
as long as I live and breathe. I worship my Lord until I can breathe.
Yeah.
So the West, I mean,
go and look for the video. It's a very,
you see nice, beautiful Roman Catholic girls are almost They say, what budget? Papa, what budget? Hey, that's a good one.
So they are available everywhere, right? Okay. If people want to reach out to you, on BC, then you contact them.
Okay, they can get us
on YouTube.
On YouTube. No, contacting us.
Facebook. Okay. Facebook. Yeah.
Telephone number.
Yeah. 059-175-9909. Yeah, WhatsApp.
Okay.
059-175-9909. WhatsApp.
And our social media handles on there.
GH Story. Kuzni and Toka. Facebook. Real GH Story on Instagram. GH Story everywhere.
Okay. So normal GH Story now.
GH Story. Ghana. GH Story.
Yeah.
And Ghanaians are our fans. Ghanaians are our fans. The fan base like Ghanaians.
If you are Ghanaian.
And you said there, Ebinimu war a sack nation one sack natives ne your friends and Bim nation we are there. Momo de any Ghanaians. And I just some of them imagine now. Okay. All right.
Ebedi council Deba no so no the real one by any agenda me krampo na abromenti ase
yeah
ni one na eba no nipa na eba no had betan so
any problem wo dem we amra why we dey for you
ka safa nipa ho yeah tanyo no uti na adwen ho a mo say it's okay.
All right. You better want to say. Now, answer na mo be kono. I na metai yes I because they're very necessary, very important. More person mo don mo say na briefly na sorry so.
Mr. Leonard Odum, DVLA, regional accountant.
Okay.
Channel. You don't say pa.
Better facility pro. I'll be a clean pro product. Nema you know Ofie de clean Ofie ni baby office baby no. Clean pro bit me am be. Mom modern. Mr. Atakuma head DVLA 37. Better Williams Industries. We Crystal Maze pure Crystal Maze water. Yeah, I should move the hopper. And we are crossing. One man say, one man what you say straight.
Shout out to Chifo people.
Yeah,
Chifo people. And then SIC, my own people. Much love.
Metan so is here no Papa Nubi. And Saladi.
Yes.
Men so na friend say uti from Ali Toka.
Okay.
Is here me Muslim.
Okay.
Me Muslim me am adma Sunday be me
what now?
Me kwa Sunday be. Ai.
Yeah, that was right. Yeah, that was
Ali that
Yes, we blend the incense. As a sacrifice to the Lord, as a sacrifice to the Almighty, as a sacrifice to the Lord. I burn my incense. As a sacrifice to the Lord, as a sacrifice to the Almighty, as a sacrifice to the Lord. I burn my incense. No cry, no cry. Me say, maintain me all back I say. I burn my incense. No gonna cry. Let's say what's that. Maintain ya all back and say. I burn my incense. As long as I live and breathe, I will worship my Lord until I can breathe. Jehovah is my maker. As long as I live and breathe, I will worship my Lord until I can breathe. As a sacrifice to the Lord, as a sacrifice to the Almighty, as a sacrifice to the Lord, as a sacrifice to the Lord, as a sacrifice to the Almighty, as a sacrifice to the Lord, May a Roman enter me shake, may a Roman enter me shake, may a Roman enter me shake, I burn my incense. Yeah, Roman phone to your shit. Yeah, Roman phone to your shit. Yeah, Roman phone to your shit. Yes, we burn the incense.
And cover
Cherry Justice.
Umami nyapa no a ofumeduane no. Unya bema no a de bia ogina phone so no.
Hello, I'm Rosisia.
Wo fase no ochiri bibia.
Da bi o mempe, we de mi tu.
Wadamfo no a, we ni wo adwuma mu a, de bia ono no mu Coca-Cola twato.
Yeni na yeni mubisa. Nenso omuni wa ne piani di asisa. En Kenya braye kabum edi Coca-Cola eji yeni. FDIG edwadin kratu yatu.
Charlie, with Bedboro Ghana, everything not double. Bedboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cash back in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Bedboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
Me didi acrobato, me pemasum bianti, and I'm the Monkodom, me Bambo Life Insurance, I free Holland Life. And we are, and my bushia penny, a church for my obianti 1,000 Ghana cities. Me young fanya, or penny, a ye, Metiano, and was me cry. Me Bambo Life Insurance, a boy me cover me, a bra me pra, and I made them, and answer a year to me. Hefa, a whole canina, a broke metia, 1 Ghana city pet, a simple cry.
Anio, 1 Ghana city pay, 5 CDs, 15 CDs, and not 30 CDs. Busumi Bia. Bema when you wasumje, efa eka upra, and ye your de bahon. And no one is out who be me buying Ball Life Insurance, a free Holland Life for *269 cash. Wo Vodafone so na dinia bebanichi. Me say, eye koko kra. Would you about *269 cash? Na fa hu shem wo Vodafone so nenya sumje wa brawo ahotoso se. Wo dachi wo buying bomapa. Me buying ball insurance ya yashada yama.
Okay, na edi we ma de na agi ase. Aden we share dware na.
Nanama, me shemukasi ase. Ne awote no ye Cindy Rice. Eno na mede ye me mu nuane nyina. Cindy Rice demufo a eyi maako ma.
Ah, metimi aka hwe.
Oh, aden, ka hwe.
No cre. Cindy Rice die emu edankasa.
Eye Cindy Rice. Na ya hye no every 1 kg. E de kopim 50 kg. Benya Cindy Rice ato. E wan krankra bi mu ai ben wo. Wo pedudu atua. Fre 0540-101-671 and 0540-106-294. Cindy Rice. Sham ne denso.
FDA ajejadi nkratso yatsum. No matter the culture that may change the tradition, no matter the rhythm that may change the groove, we still remain the same. Because it's the same great taste that brings the same great memories. Your favorite Club Minerals is now Club Sparletta. Yes, Club Sparletta. With the same refreshing flavors. Muscatella, orange, soda, and tonic. Go on, enjoy the new Club Sparletta. Club Mineral, now Club Sparletta, is still your favorite soft drink. This advert is FDA approved.
No one can love like a mother. No one can protect them like you do. And now that schools have reopened, it is important to protect our kids from anything that could make them sick. That is why Nido feeds your child with essential nutrients like iron and vitamin C to help strengthen their immunity. Nido, your love, their future. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
I see you. Quality security door in a new space. Why affordably? What be man paint depot? And the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? What quality security doors? And then see for contracted. When you road marking paint. What be man paint depot? Paint to quality biara usual. Since you are why you paint and pay later. It's Jessica Kakra. That's a 3 months. It's young Kane. It's you if you are assassin real wooden here. What be man paint depot? I must stop and see one time. 054-2745-222. So I crack Kumasi Highway. Put him on Tobu to
Say, Minia. I don't know I don't know how.
Kwame, many me busia for money who can see me. Me bank edi me hiamobio. Sisia na waka chem say, "O ma me busia me pediri ye edwuma no." Banking kind so jinsi ho a e twa me ne bo.
Nka wasa ka we kire me dada. Ma me come for Societe General Ghana ma o. Sa busia we, wo beti no te sema pe SG Ghana Banking kunya. Na ma me ni ya etumi ahwe mo free school fees ho nsem. Asan bie ankasa edwuma kakra yi. Wa ye yensi kasem ho ahotoso e wa ho hi nyamre.
No credit.
Se busia na ho hia dia. E ne SG Ghana Banking. Bribia, or mammy see one from cry. As I mammy bra, me betua, and mammy one me. Ah, it's me poco drop was me using. Minia, or Fata Bankia, who bet me at GD. Now don't want to so. The Abema was soon at your Societe General Ghana, any dear your power sitting in woman who you name. The Mabusia, your power, not a who's musu of cry. Koyan Krabate, Yanaya, woman, you PM, but you will see some home. Societe General Ghana, that's in your one casa. Santo, baby, what could I want Sabosoni, and the Tosuduncia, I think Pimian in your
Hey, me network in Mafia me. I was sending mobile money. See me with our workers car. So charges some 380 cedis. What send this can go charges on? Wait here, cement 10 bags so. Miniati. So we be move work of Vodafone cash and can we service Kabebre. Vodafone cash. Mesa me network need dear. What send this car was our network no so no. Yet what send this car free with network no so. Aqua network for front. And no so yet name tia some dead pa. What send this car with Vodafone cash swa. Aye free. What send this car free Vodafone cash. Aqua network bia swa. And so you free. Masa into work catcher. What that so ya then was our network no so. Move bra Vodafone cash says yeah. Hey masa yik not to ball musisi ya. I know say dear. What send this car with Vodafone cash so Aqua network bia swa aye free. Send this car do bia and prend do bia Aqua network bia so free. Dial star 110 hash says yeah in send this car.
Kwame, hey, Jumerano, no me who what you? Unia said the printing Jumana say you can you some high into customers in Jumani nego. In fact, a hard Biancaza. Oh, Charlie. Hey, Baunia, why are you? It's with me to generate a CSA. Hey, Unia, Manto, me rente. Hey, any generator express for ya when a helium. Anointed electrical engineering services, Sanya Rentals. Hey, Tresse, we eat one or ton generator and spare parts, Papa. Nessa on after sale services on Chronoa. Almost Sanya Rentals. Sa pepe. Anointed with generators and who will be bria. Now, who are in free 5? It costs you 1,000 kV on the high. Eh, so I'm that's one number 77 anointed house here. A woman lang or call Quinoso. Mo Kumasenso anointed with city style dynamo Awamakum, what be HFM. Now anointed and Krabate war manumu be Biazu Gusu Bejuma. For hotline 0243 480 334. Anointed electrical engineering services. Still generate more before.
Na family planning and when
Unia, a yasum Jankasa. I think you meet minimum and get it snazzy a dream brebe way about Tosu. Wabranya Fena, Unia. Now, why are you go? Unia, I fancy a shema kitchen swingy and to meet him the company I just said, you know, be man. I
say, ain't even a year so yes, the caddy be the shopping. Answer our way catching.
Unia, and your kind of yes, Beman sees so much my day.
Wow.
And one, bomb scheme. Family planning.
And no wapo danger my naming get a hunia. What family planning she ya a yama no mukafu. Family planning wow mouse share brow pesa war and a mother dwa be pesa obe war. Good life abra papa boni ye and Kaiboy Ghana Health Service USAID and one abua for and a day break.
Family planning. Good life
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Adom FM 106.3 FM.
Adom FM. Adom FM 106.3. Ghana's most authentic radio station. Aye top.
That's why my heart today That's why my heart it a beat like do. Cause now you are true, so I offer me I sing for you wanna be like do. Baby, now you are go big, I offer me only for you it a be like I sing for you, my baby,
All right, so welcome back. Yeah, twaso enchibia na ye dia bewie na fe ye de enumenu nsia kase bo atwa. So that's going to be in about 22 minutes time. Yep. Near the news abroad. Guswa ye di holiday in kakrakra. Now ubo rem na kopiem Germany and me sorry na mama later sending me message say happy Father's Day. And I'm mommy said I'm Rev and then Father's Day or Germany. Don't buzi mutemnya. Enti all fathers are more Germany. Happy Father's Day. Why? And I hear say in Denmark it's a holiday over there as well today and then tomorrow as well. And you watch now your full time. So shouts going out to you, beauty. Oh yeah. Denmark. I know watch so for Kufia Mamwa and I feel so sister Ayoko Michicha Munina. I knew we met Yache, Mommy for noon, na mentoasum comenim. Yeah, man, tell them. Jalid, lonely. Yeah, yo.
Hello, what's the main guy? I am here. From when I was given that, I don't me better me was a boy. Keep hello. I want them when you want enough. From what's up, I don't me better me was a boy. I'm feeling lonely. Me, I am the woman tonight. Baby, I'm coming my way feeling right. I'm feeling lonely. Me, I am the woman tonight. Baby, I'm coming my way feeling right. Me, I'm thinking of you. Yeah, I keep thinking of you. Yeah.
Hey.
Although I am in number one million, one for me call I am say I can make fun. When a woman me feel is a secret, man say one gonna be a man. I am Miss Ofie Kwanso before from. One in the net and I feel my sorry. Could it be the last time you're fighting? No, where you want take excuse for me. Long time, girl, you know I'm missing you. Me travel for day, and I'm in right now. I need to hear from you. I'm feeling lonely. Me, I am the woman tonight. Baby, I'm coming my way feeling right.
And this one here says, Jerry, today is my wife's birthday. That's Mrs. Abigail Asiedu. Wish her God's blessings for us. We love her so much. From all of us. Claribel, Jason, Marvin, and myself. Kofi Samia Asiedu. Abigail and also to wife and the twin sister and also Annabelle.
I'm feeling lonely.
Also wishing a happy birthday as well. Nyame Onshra Omunina. That's Abigail and Annabelle. And a happy birthday also going out to Mrs. Lydia Kokui Oswale or Bemakan from your sister Becky, your brother-in-law Peter, your nephews Ray, and the rest of the family. Wishing you God's blessings on your birthday. Okay, so this one, I got to do it again. I'm receiving lots of messages, people telling me how much they love this song and all of that. Yo, so maybe the point is not me. So if you also love this song, let's sing along. Let's sing together. Hey!
What's the mean?
I am young. Oh, yeah.
I'm feeling lonely. Baby, I'm coming my way feeling nice. I'm feeling lonely. Baby, I'm coming my way feeling nice. I'm thinking of you. Yeah, I keep thinking of you. Yeah. Although I am in number one, one for me call I am say I can make one. One woman me feel is a secure. Mata won't gonna be me. I am Miss Happy one for people from. When I famous sorry. Could it be the last time you're fighting? No, where you want take excuse for that me.
Long time, girl, you know I miss you.
Right now, I'm feeling lonely. Baby, I'm coming my way feeling right. I'm feeling lonely. Baby, I'm coming my way feeling right. Hello, what's the mean? Hey, I'm here. Give me a call. When I want you, Adom me better me was a booya. Oh yeah. Hello. I want
Only Panon Cancer could be say, I will bring you on the one. And he said, welcome my best more. Anyway, you say, what is it when you move from now on in the dano? Sorry. On in that sorry, you do.
I'm feeling lonely. Baby, I'm coming my way feeling right. I'm feeling lonely. Baby, I'm coming my way feeling right. I'm feeling lonely.
All right, so shouts to Jalid for this beautiful song. Yeah, lonely. I feel moi, monso, mon mo guess, and mo boys. Nah, mo sorry. No more loading pictures, But you don't post your guests. Boys, you don't post them. No more post the others. They no. I'm complaining also, Charlie. I know many people know say, but no from. Hey, more steady. O de mumisa mai na ochechi mucho. Stories there, you know. Stories. If the love is real, make you post them. But Abia na utie now the anti media me on one purpose. Because me, if I post them, say, oh, so cry, then I dear on me free. But at the end of person post to why? Hey, Ella baby, I see you. Or say you maybe missed my husband, oh Charlie. Yeah. Oh yeah, Mr. Rock, I never know. Go see me. Hey.
Post me on Twitter, post to me, post to me. Post me on Facebook, post to me, post to me. Post me on WhatsApp, post to me, post to me. Post me on Insta. My brown one team for free. My woman more never see you. When they know you're in love, we gon' talk about us. This is how they get up at the eye. Why you dey worry when people see me with you? Why you dey bother that I posted a picture we took? If the love we share is real, other you will ghost to me, ghost to me. I'm into that, post to me, post to me. Post me on post to me, post to me.
Say, and an anwadana, a mouth for Kika say, Sir, post me, send me here, you know. Where she are by way? Or then post me, sir, not who post na. A mouth for who ya na feel, omo a pini, not omu chuku, ombe who are no one's relationship. And now, one post to now, yes, any on so, and also the also say that one Obi and him say if you they do it, you know, and they say cheating, see what you hey, everyone, you who post the way?
I got a girl, she a London thing.
Say what?
Wanna roll one, smoke one thing. I'm out to give her a diamond ring. Now she say other girls like my thing. She make my heart beat say like say boom. Cruise, you know the group. She make my heart beat. Next time you're gonna take you to Bloom Bloom. We go up.
Hey, Ella baby. Mr. Boko Asamen can't trust on no so after why. Not just a mono. Me show you that moody or door. Obano Ogana Oti was sending me message say mama na finu crew. Send you crew me can message on Zuti or so after. Hey, ayo.
I got a girl, she a London thing.
And you may from me a new conference call video.
Ring, but she say other girls like my thing. She make my heart beat say like say boom boom. Next time you're gonna take you to Bloom Bloom. When we done we go home and boom boom.
How about the one?
Baby say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture.
I'll say good evening, Jerry. It's my sister's birthday today. She's Mami Ya at Kaswa. May God bless her to the highest. May that's a Pakwisi from Tema Community 4.
From Temple.
Okay, so now the year do so no. Meka no so ho asam kakacho. No stories. Say cheese there no. Na amba. My first story na amba na mekoye but mama another story. Before this story no. I'll say good evening Kweku. Tomorrow happens to be the birthday of my sister Doris. An info Mafo. The chair lady for all seamstress Aguna West and you deposit to I say may the good Lord bless your new age with you and I say and chain okay say seamstress phone in on a down and then I just say would deposit to now the next song I'm about to play and also history can say on say where she assured you know na say be a cool years near there oh yo Lily I see you and say me te on catch a pow na say who say picture bi na down near the sa near the Instagram say gay who you din anyway me share you happy all days enjoy yourself yeah now what she here enough to say am brasimu ani ade bibia da na kwempepepe afi onya be hu say do no na boss na say competition bi enu bi no then start the change na nema yeah afi ofre kra wo fa o ka kra no ye na ade oba no esa next time oba make you talk anything o the time wa o tena ase a o yeso yeah now the new we ashim now the volume na 2000 e dey be gbowura na adwum ti obu message na person o the man no why
Last time when a boy do a back up, hey, baby girl, cause I never came on me, how my tonight I gotta tell you something. Don't rush, baby, take your time. All I want is to give you love. All I want was to make you smile. You were the sweetest girl, but now you move dangerous. Now you change so serious. They say I pay what's the sun, two bars, you the girl, man, son. Ramos, two bars, you the big man,
shouts going out to you, Evelino, the Unbreakable, for Strasbourg for France.
Call you don't pick up, I'm still late night. Girl, you day online, eh? But you know what, girl, I know the bab. But you know what's me, I know the bab now. Why you gonna do me like that? Girl, why you do me like that? Why you gonna do me like that? Oh, no, tonight, I gotta tell you something. Don't rush, baby, take your time. All I want was to give you love. All I want was to make you smile. You're the sweetest girl, and now you move dangerous. Now you change so serious. Whoa. They say I feel what's the sun, two bars, you can't mess the sun. What's the we can't know the sun, two bars, you need to make man super. Yeah, I know what's the sun, two bars, we can't mess the sun. What's the we can't mess the sun, two bars, we can't mess the sun.
Malam Fuseni who ye agunankum and chiasonko and come out. Afe Muntie, maybe this is gonna be my last story. Nafi, ya boy walk fan news. You see, this is pretty simple. We in your love story. I can't love stories, kakra. But this very story I'm about to tell you, this one, it be serious. I mean, see, today be holiday. Since morning, I say action be answer down course be as near there. Say it's shoot or so for more. Now say me and I make come say scanning system when they no crap. What I say, just a month for is slow. But Joe, holidays then time back. To hear Yami Adom, Allah Daruma, Abay no. Jack, mommy link you up. If it's a be a copy, say bebo 12 midnight. No, Jack, a quite me, bet me out to be kakani there. It do a quite one say cash kaka honor beats me at Nasia. Why not, Charlie? Link up na yen yamakakra. What I say, it's not Baby born you in Amede no last one. So that's the story. So wherever you do, I beg, make we link up. Yep. To link up. Let's go. Hey, la 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 la.
one. And then I'm sad, not in a one. Me get per week, so not in a one. No, country, I'm a block account. Forget tonight, my mind there.
My mind there tonight.
You dey be a Friday.
It's me your friend and your Fridays.
Stress no fit kill man, still got the stress away. Ya da musa obi bet no so aye trying di. Rest no so apa mo 13. Fear run so jina me punji ni key. But forget tonight, my mind there. We dey chill dey be a Friday. To forget the stress about it. Stress no fit kill man, still got the stress away. Ya browse sorry no confirm. It never easy, make us confess. School in the crowd, the giant, I no one stress. Ulumai, I'm a good to run off deck. Big girl, see what Gucci bag yellow. My count is so 0.0. Yet you want a king, no be a Jenny Momo. Be decide, no be a Jenny Gello. But still tonight, my mind we the chill, they be a Friday. So forget the stress about it. Stress no fit kill man, still call the stress away. So link up, pick your mind Jack, they be a Friday. Forget the stress about it. Stress no fit kill man, still call the stress away. Mama min chile, na min fele, na min koto, na min bumi mwe. Mama min chile, na min.
And yes, I'm with you, no keke kwa. Mon link up. Kakra onwa, link up. Adian sansa, a friend never boss 6. If you say I'll copy me about 12 midnight. We go feel link up and you know what I'm saying. Yeah.
So I meet some girl for my day, or see to let me to be on now. Write me a check. So I look sharp, right time check. See a Uber X, she come to my day. It catch time, I for enter the net. Or say our boy, so I know if he enter the net.
Adom FM 106.3.
They chill, they be a Friday. So forget the stress about it. Stress no fit kill man, still call the stress away. So link up, pick your mind there. Jack, they be a Friday. Forget the stress about it. Stress no fit kill man, still call the stress away. Mama min chile,
Mama min chile.
Na min muso.